So it's time to do the front diff cover. It's going to be almost exactly the same procedure as the rear. Same tools. We'll go over those in just a second. We're still going in with the AMSOIL 75W90. Tools you need for this job. We're going to use a 3/8 ratchet with a short 3-inch extension. We're also going to use a 6mm hex key for the Mag Hytec cover. Those stainless steel bolts that come with it, they're 6mm hex. Some black RTV to put on those stainless steel bolts. Torque wrench set to 16 foot-pounds. And we'll use a 1/2-inch ratchet and a 13mm, as well as a shallow 13mm to take off the old cover, the factory diff cover. Deep socket was really handy in the rear. I don't know if we'll need it on the front, but we're going to have it just in case. You're going to need a gasket scraper to clean the gasket mating surface. I'm going to use a small pump with a little fuel line attached to it to pump the fluid into the diff. I've got a headlamp, you don't necessarily need it. You're going to need brake clean to help clean off that mating surface, and some shop towels to also help clean up that mating surface. Let's talk about what just happened. So that was seized, completely seized. Could not get it out. So I got some penetrating fluid. So that's a 10mm bolt. I tried a 3/8 socket, beating it on there. Could not get it. It rounded. There was just one thing after another. So finally I got out my vice grips, tried to break it loose with that. The vice grips literally started chewing the head of the bolt off. So what we did was we took out every other bolt in the diff cover, bent the cover, used that as leverage to break that bolt loose, and then I was able to put my vice grips on just like this here and twist it right out. So hopefully that doesn't happen to you. So the factory diff cover's off. It's kind of hard to see from these steering components here. However, if you look right down here, see where that black spot is? So there's a little bit of water getting in right there. So that gasket was not good. Somebody reused that one too many times. So do not do that, please. We're gonna get this mating surface cleaned up and throw on the new gasket with the new cover.